Day, ma'am and sir. My name is Maricel Ganaban. I'm 40 years old, college level. And I am married and I have 3 kids. I have 2 boys and 1 girl. I am 2 brothers and 6 sister siblings in the family. And I am the youngest of the family. My previous work in abroad is domestic helper. And I stayed there 5 months. Because they were 8 members in the family and they have 6 kids and I am only maid in the house. I do laundry, cooking, ironing, and taking care of kids. Mom, please give me a chance to work as to be your helper with your family. And I will promise I will take care of your family and most especially if you have a kids. Thank you, mom. Good day.